Hey, what's up guys? Ryan back here with you today. I wanted to follow up on one of my first installment videos, the Poconos Metal Craft swivel base seats that I installed. One of the only issues I came across during that installment was the swivel was coming in contact with the parking brake. So I reached out to Poconos Metal Craft, and to my surprise, they sent me a care package. Poconos Metal Craft is a family-owned business from the Poconos of Pennsylvania. One thing you can come to expect from this company is solid craftsmanship, really good welding. They make and manufacture large equipment and automotive parts, and they just started to dip their toes into the van life world. So for today's installation, we're going to go ahead and install this Poconos Metal Craft parking brake adapter. I'm guessing this goes here. Shout out to the great people at Poconos Metal Craft for sending me this adapter that only took about 20 minutes to install. It now allows me to swivel my driver's seat all the way around. So thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for the next installment.